This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Debbie Hamilton. Cute rancher on .44 acre with workshop and attached covered shed. There is an additional detached covered carport. HVAC is only about 8 years old, roof is about 7 years old, hot water heater about 3 months old. There are hardwood floors under the carpet in the living room. The bathroom is oversized with a double long vanity, separate water closet and linen closet. The washer and dryer hookups are also in the spacious bathroom. House needs some interior updates. Could be an absolute doll house. For more information, review the details below or contact Debbie Hamilton at 865-693-1111.